Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is April the 12th. In my journey 250k, I'm currently at 138,575. So for the day, down by about 1.2%, which is about 1,700. For the last week, down by about 2.2%, which is about 3,100. For the last month, down by about 8.9%, which is about 13,600. For the last 3 months, down by about 17.1%, which is about 28,700. On the first year, up by about 51.9%, which is about 47,000. So join me in this journey. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do give this video a thumbs up so that we can grow the channel even faster. We're past 300 subscribers so far since we started a few weeks ago. Thank you for your engagement in the comment section, as well as just your kind words and also your feedback. I really appreciate it. Let's grow this channel together. But today I'll be walking you through a stock which doesn't need any introduction, Microsoft. I've been in this play, doubled my money and gotten out early in the year, but I want to put it back on you guys' radar and talk a little bit about it. So you can see currently it's at 255. So for the day it's kind of flat, but for the week up by about 3.3%. Last month up by about 9%. 3 months up by about 17%, first year up by about 55%. So you can see the volume is pretty good, 6.7 million. Market cap is 1.89 trillion. They did have some interesting news. I think today morning they are acquiring Nuance Communications, which is in like the healthcare sector. I think Microsoft is doing a lot of interesting things in terms of their cloud services, as well as just Office and Teams with work from home blowing up. They've actually benefited in some of the adoption. They did pretty good in the last earnings, but I wanted to kind of put this stock in your radar because I want to kind of talk the bull case and the bear case as well. We have 34 analysts rating it at 94% buy on all of those, 6% on hold, and nobody's saying to sell it. So let's see what the bulls say. Public cloud is widely considered to be the future of enterprise computing, and Azure is a leading service that benefits the evolution to first to hybrid environments and then ultimately to public cloud environments. Shift to subscriptions accelerates growth after the initial growth pressure. The company has passed the margin inflection point now, such that margins are increasing again and have returned to pre-Nokia, pre-cloud levels. Microsoft has monopoly positions in various areas, OS, Office, that serve as cash cows to help drive Azure growth. I totally agree. Let's see what the bears are saying. Microsoft is not the top player in the key sources of growth, notably Azure and Dynamics. They have competition as well from Amazon, AWS, and a few other big players. But yeah, I get the argument here, but not really valid. Microsoft lacks a meaningful mobile presence. We know that. Momentum is slowing in the ongoing shift to subscription, particularly Office, which is generally considered a mature product. I agree with that as well. But the adoption is so large that subscription doesn't really matter, in my opinion, because we see organization, all of them kind of having to use Office really, and that's kind of a plus for me. But it's always good to read the bear and bull case so that you kind of get an idea what's going on. You can see the earnings, they actually beaten earnings for all Q3 2020, Q4, Q1, and you can see even Q2 projected. It's on the 27th this month. We should be waiting to hear what they have, but I think they'll beat the numbers off the pack. But yeah, I doubled my money and got out. You can see the time I got out of the market was January the 13th, so solely for 215. I only had 10 shares, and they pay dividend. That's why I also wanted to kind of show you guys about this company. So I'm thinking I should be getting back on Microsoft very soon. As soon as I start positioning myself and wait for the next dip, I'll be having some money on the sidelines to kind of get back in. I know it seems expensive at 255, but I'll surely start buying a little bit more, even if it's 5 or 10 at a time. The other thing is, if you have a high conviction in a stock, you should always try and add more. So Tesla is a bit pricey, but I'll be trying my best to pivot out on some plays and get back and add more. A quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes only, but thank you so much for reaching this far. Let me know what you think about Microsoft, if you have any stocks for Microsoft, and also what you think the price target is. I think by the end of the year we should be around 275. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 300. But yeah, let me know what you think. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.